everybody, it's Lauren, and today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a FabFitFun unboxing video for their spring box. I am so excited to be doing this video. I do these obviously every single season and they are one of my favorite videos to film on this channel. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got in my spring box. And I am wearing the same cap that I wore a couple videos ago, but I love this beanie, so I wear it a lot. So obviously I wanted to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. So if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box and it has full-sized beauty, fashion, lifestyle, fitness products in it, and you get it 4 times a year. So the thing about the box that I love is that some of the items are worth more than the whole entire box itself. So you get to try a lot of fun new things that you probably wouldn't be able to try before. So FabFitFun's mission is to deliver happiness to everyone everywhere, which I really like because, like I said, when I get these boxes every single season, I'm really excited to get them. I look forward to them all the time. These boxes are available in the US, UK, and Canada, and you can customize and pick some of the items in your box. Some of the items FabFitFun chooses for you, and then some of the items you can customize yourself, which is really nice. So FabFitFun usually partners with female-founded companies and charities every single season, and this time around they partnered with One Tree Planted, which helps to restore nature and biodiversity. So pretty much every single dollar that is donated to One Tree Planted, they plant a tree. So now that spring is around the corner and, you know, the trees are going to be having leaves on them again and flowers are going to be growing and nature is going to be flourishing, it's really important to just kind of take that time to remind yourself to nurture yourself and take care of yourself. I just think that, again, that's just really important to always have that self-care aspect and always remember that you come first and you need to take care of yourself. So if you guys are interested in FabFitFun, I do have a discount code, which I will have down below. It is boutique for $10 off your first box. So yeah, super good deal, and I will have that code, like I said, down below if you guys are interested. But anyways, without further ado, let's jump on into the unboxing portion. So this is the box. It is so pretty. It's just this beautiful floral box. I love the flowers all over it. I think it's so cute. I'm always so bad at showing it, but this was my box with all my items. So I'm gonna start out with my favorite item that I'm so excited about. Some of my favorite items that I receive from my FabFitFun box are definitely my fashion items. I love receiving those every single season. So this one, this time around, was really cool. This is an Alice and Olivia Daisy duffel bag. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. So as you guys can see, it just has like a daisy print all over it, the handles, and then the longer strap. And it has some really cool, like, quirky features to it. So the little zipper is like this little woman's face, which I thought was kind of fun. And it's super spacious inside. So you guys can see you can fit a lot of stuff here for like an overnighter. So I thought that's, you know, if I'm ever taking any overnight trips to my friends' houses or anything, this could be a really great bag to have. And the straps look extremely comfortable and long. And yes, so I'm again really excited for this bag. I think it's going to be a great addition, especially if I take, like I said, any like overnight trips, if I visit a friend or something. This is definitely my favorite item I got. I am so excited to use this. So the next item I got is really cool. So it's this here. It's from the brand Our Place and it's a lunchbox. So the packaging is super cute, and I actually put some food in this the other day. So this is what the lunchbox looks like. It is a BPA-free lunchbox and it is so cute. It just has this pink bottom and this little strap going around it, as you guys can see, and a little cute top here. So it's super easy. You just unstrap the little lunchbox and then you open it like so, and it comes with utensils, which is so cute. So it came with chopsticks, a knife, a fork, and a spoon. So cute. And then you remove the top like so, and as you can see here, it has like a little tray, which is really cool inside, that you can remove, and then part of the lunchbox. It fits a nice amount of food in here, which I really like, and it comes with those utensils, which is really nice as well. So I've been in like situations before where I can't find utensils at my job if I'm bringing lunch to work, or if I'm bringing lunch out somewhere and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot to bring a utensil, or I just don't have any plastic spoons or forks, and I don't want to bring like a nice one that I have for my kitchen. So this is really super useful and it's adorable. So again, when I go back to the workplace, this is definitely going to be very, very nice to use. But also if I'm just on the go and I need to pack some lunch, this is a really great thing to have. I was really excited. I got to choose this one and I chose it because I knew I would get a lot of use out of it. And it's something that I never like thought I needed, but now that I have it, I'm like, this is definitely very, very helpful to have. So the next product I have is another fashion product, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a little pouch here. It's from the brand Lark and Ives, and it's their hair scarves. So it's a bundle of 2 different hair scarves, and this is what they look like. They're so cute. It comes with a little card on ways that you can wear them. So there's a lot of different ways to wear them, not just in your hair. You can also do them kind of on your bag, it looks like. You can wear them around your neck, and then obviously in like a ponytail, which is what I would probably do. So they're so soft and they're so pretty. So this is the pink one. It has this like floral design on it. It is so pretty. And then this one here is just a nice kind of like off-white cream color, which I love as well. So this was another one. This is gonna match with a lot of outfits. I was thinking I could tie this one in my hair with like a white or a black sweater, and it would give like a nice pop of color. So I love hair accessories. You guys know I wear hats all the time. I also wear just like headbands, and I have hair scarves already that I love, and every time I wear hair scarves, everyone always compliments me. They're like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It kind of adds something to an outfit. If you just have like a plain sweater on, I highly recommend dressing it up with a hair scarf. So next product I got is a tweezer. This is from the brand Summer and Rose, and it's their rose printed tweezers. So I use tweezers all of the time. I tweeze my eyebrows like every 2 days. So I have just like really normal tweezers, nothing super cute, and these are adorable. So this is what the little pouch looks like when you open it. It's just a little light pink pouch, and it has the tweezer in here, and it's such a cute little rose tweezer. It just says Summer and Rose on it, and it's adorable. I love it. It works really well. I've been using it the past few days, and it's so cute. So my next item is a beauty item, and this is a hair mask. So this is the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Hair Mask, and it looks like this. And I love hair masks. My hair can get pretty dry because I do dye it a lot, so I just love to try out different hair masks. It definitely helps just keep my hair nice and hydrated, and you know, the blonde color that I do put in my hair, it strips that oil from my hair. So these are definitely very helpful. I loved it. It made my hair so soft, and it helped give it a lot of shine. So this actually has shea butter in it, so it just really moisturizes your hair and gives it back that shine and that soft feeling. So I was very excited about this. I'm really excited to continue using it in my box. This is another item, like I said, that I use a lot. I usually use hair masks like once a week just to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. It really just made my hair feel extremely smooth and shiny. So the next item I got is from the brand Say, and these are just reusable beauty rounds, and they look like this. There's 3 of them, and they're so soft. So they just have this little handle here, and they're double-sided, and pretty much you can just use these to take off your makeup instead of using makeup remover wipes. So these are a lot better obviously for the environment and can save you money as well. So these are really nice. I like that they're little like pads, because I feel like especially for my eye makeup, it's like really good to like press down and remove my makeup that way. So these were really nice, a really great item to have, and these are also really good for traveling too, because they're super small and you can just put it right into your bag. So I like that they come with 3 different ones. The next item I got was the Cali Cosmetics body wash, and this is what it looks like. And I was so excited to get a body wash because I've been wanting one for so long. I've been needing a new body wash, so I was so excited to get this because I personally love body washes. I love having like nice fun scented ones. So this one is from Islands of Italy. And the scent, I'm trying to describe to you guys, the scent is so good. It's kind of almost like a fresh scent. It reminds me of like being near like an ocean, or being like on a trip, or like being like in Italy next to the ocean. That's kind of how it reminds me of. Now that I smell it more, it smells like peaches. I was trying to get the scent down, but it's definitely a peach scent, and it smells really good. But I really like this because it makes my skin feel super soft, and we all love that feeling. So I'm reading this off my computer right now because I feel like I'm going to butcher it, but it's the Earth Harbor Marina Biomi Brightening Ampoule. I said that so wrong. So pretty much this helps brighten and balance your skin, and it is very natural. It's plant-based, no GMOs, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade, sustainable, all of that stuff, which is awesome. And it's just a nice brightening serum. So if your skin's kind of uneven and you need more balance, or you need more brightening to your face, it's kind of dull, this is a really great product. So it's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see the packaging. It's adorable. It has this blue tint to it, and it just has a little dropper. So it has blue tansy and spirulina in it, and the scent is like very just like a pure scent, but it helps give a nice, even and radiant complexion. Again, my skin is pretty dull. I don't really have like the brightest, nicest, shiniest face, and this is something that can definitely help me out. I always put on like highlighter and glow underneath my face makeup wise, because I feel like I don't have that natural nice brightness to my face, which is kind of a little annoying. So I'm really excited to continue using this. I've only used it once or twice already, but I'm really excited. The packaging's adorable. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching my FabFitFun unboxing. Again, if you guys are interested in your own box, I have my code down below. It is boutique for $10 off your first box. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video.